name is Casey. I'm an internet sales consultant over at Desert Toyota of Tucson. And start with our Toyota Safety Sense package. It's our most important thing. The Toyota emblem here, it actually doubles as a sensor. It can pick up the metal off of other vehicles within range of the Sienna. You also have the safety camera here in the windshield. That's good for picking up moving objects in front of the vehicle, such as pedestrians. And that first safety feature is a tie between those two things. It's a pre-collision system with that pedestrian detection feature. Picking up the metal from other vehicles, moving objects such as pedestrians. If you're traveling at a high rate of speed in the Sienna and it senses that you may have a collision with another vehicle or pedestrian, it will warn you that you need to brake and will also brake for you to avoid slamming into anything. Awesome to have these days when everyone's a little distracted. This vehicle also comes equipped with the lane departure alert with the steering assist function. It can sense the lines on the road as it's traveling. If it feels you starting to stray out of your lane one way or the other, it will alert you to shape of your steering and maintain lane. But if it feels like you're still riding the line for whatever the reason may be, you'll feel a small steering adjustment one way or the other that'll actually recenter you back into your lane for you, keep you going straight and narrow down the road. It comes equipped with the dynamic radar cruise control, really good for those long road trips. You set the cruise control to the speed you want it to travel at, it'll go that speed on its own. The twist is, again, it can sense what the other cars on the road are doing. If it senses that the other vehicles start slowing down, maybe there's an accident or something, the Sienna will start slowing down on its own. If it senses that the other vehicles start to speed back up, it also acknowledges that and will re-accelerate on its own as well. So when you're using the cruise control feature, the van's practically driving itself. A little scary at first. Once you get used to it, it's awesome. And again, great for those long road trips with the family. Lastly, it comes standard with the automatic high beam feature as well. So if it senses that it's in a bit of a darker area where the high beams are necessary, it will apply them automatically. Again, it can sense other cars though, so if it feels that you're too close to another driver that should be blinding them, with those high beams, it'll also fluctuate back to low beams as well. So awesome safety package.